In this video by ABN Painting, we're spray painting a stucco wall, and we start our preparation work by moving gravel a few inches away from the wall. Next step is pressure washing. Then we do masking. The side of the house that is next to the wall we cover with 12-inch masking paper, as well as the side gate. On the other side of the wall we do exact same thing. We cover the house with 12-inch masking paper and mask off the RV gate. Part of the wall that we need to spray is right next to the pool deck, so we run 12-inch masking paper along the wall, and then we put the tarps on top to protect the deck from overspray. Smaller bushes we covered with tarps, covered the lights with masking paper, wrapped the tape around the palm tree to prevent it from touching the wall, used the rope to keep one of the bushes away from the wall. After we finished with preparation work, we begin spray painting. Since this wall never been painted before, it requires a primer. We are using Dunn Edwards Masonry Primer F-Stop. We had the store tint the primer towards the color of the paint that we are using, so it's going to be easy to cover when we apply the paint. After the primer had enough time to dry, we apply the paint. For the stucco that's being painted for the very first time, it's recommended to back roll. Back rolling means using the roller on an area that just been sprayed and where the paint is still wet. That creates a finish that's going to be a little bit nicer than just using the spray gun. For the subsequent repaints, back rolling is not needed. That is something that's usually done when painting stucco for the very first time. And this is the look of the wall before and after.